Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Agriculture Academy. Today we came with another lecture series of Nimraj Sunda complete book. Today we discuss Unit 6 of the book Achievements of Crop Improvement, that is genetically modified crop. I am your mentor Vikas Chansna, currently working at Indian Institute of Rice Research, Hyderabad. Then what is genetically modified crop? Genetically modified crop in which one or many traits are altered or enhanced through the process of genetic engineering called genetically modified crop. Example: BT cotton, genetically modified mustard, golden rice. Then first we will see BT cotton. Bacillus thuringiensis is a soil bacterium which produces a lethal protein which affects the digestive system of bollworm. Then the gene responsible for this production of the lethal gene, CRY1AC. This is the gene responsible for the lethal protein production. Then genetically modified cotton only crop permitted by Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, GEAC. Not approval, it is appraisal. Under Ministry of Environment and Forestry, first permitted on March 2002. BT cotton variety developed by Maheko was MECH 12, MECH 162, MECH 184. These are for southern state, RCH 134, RCH 138 for northern state. Punjab Agriculture University developed country's first genetically modified cotton with special advantage over existing MNC private seed sector, in which the seed of this cotton reused by farmer would result in saving the repeated cost to bear the every season. Then ICR identified these three BT cotton varieties and named them as PAU BT1, F1861 developed by Punjab Agriculture University, and RS 2013 developed by SKRA Bikaner, Rajasthan. All the three varieties carry CRY1AC gene, imparting resisting against bollworm complex. CRY1AC gene resistance against bollworm complex. You have to remember this one. World first generation BT cotton came in 1996 and known as Bolgard 1. Maheko collaborated with Monsanto to develop BT variety Bolgard 1 using CRY1 AC gene. Recently BT cotton variety developed as Bolgard 2 or second, having both the CRY1AC and CRY2AB gene in 2006, which is known as second generation of BT cotton. First transgenic crop was BT cotton. You have to remember maximum time this is the asked question. Second transgenic crop was tomato, that is flavor saver tomato. It increases the shelf life. It increases shelf life of tomato. Then country having first position for the transgenic plant is USA, India 5th rank. Then this is the sequences of transgenic crop production in different country. First is USA, second Brazil, third is Argentina, fourth is Canada, fifth is India. Then position of transgenic plant in the world in the area. Then soybean first position, maize second position, cotton third position, canola fourth position. Soybean maximum with 60%. Mostly genetically modified trait used as herbicide resistant trait followed by quality improvement and insecticide resistance trait. Total area under transgenic in the world in 1996 was 1.7 million hectare, but as per 2019 data it's become 270 million hectare. Then genetically modified mustard. These are glyphosate resistance mustard developed by Pro Agro Seed Company Limited. Glyphosate resistance, you have to remember this. Developed by Bayer Crop Science, German based company. Dhara mustard hybrid 11 DMH11 modified mustard. Then golden rice, it is genetically modified rice rich in beta carotene, engineered by normal rice by Ingo Proticras and Peter Bayer in 1900 to prevent vitamin A deficiency in humans. That's why Ingo Proticas is known as father of golden rice. Then super rice, Dr. Gurdev Singh Khus developed at IRRI, Indian International Rice Research Institute, which would bring an improvement 25% of the over present day varieties. Hybrid rice, first time developed hybrid rice in China in 1974 by Professor Yang Ping Yang. Hence, he is also known as father of hybrid rice. Then India second position, developed after China, MGR1, earlier named as CORH1, developed by TNA, Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Coimbatore, and PRH1 and PRH6 developed by IRI. Then hybrid mustard developed by Directorate of Rapeseed and Mustard Research, Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Variety developed by DRMR or NRC HB 506, first hybrid mustard in India. Other Dhara mustard 11, DMH 11 is genetically modified hybrid mustard developed at Delhi University. Then superwheat, research on superwheat is progress at DW at Karnal. It was expected to come by 2005 and the yield increased by 15 to 20%. Green revolution term coined by William S. God. You have to remember this also. In 1868 of USAID to describe productivity based on improvement in food production, particularly in wheat and rice. Green revolution term related to wheat and rice. Main component of green revolution are high yielding varieties, use of chemical fertilizer, plant protection chemicals. You have to remember this also. Important. Then evergreen revolution. This term given by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan also father of green revolution in India. Denote the green revolution based on sustainable method of crop intensification and diversification. Vertical revolution in agriculture, maximizing production per unit area per unit time using intensive cropping system, high production inputs and improved management practices. Then India shares in world. Total geographical area 2.4%. This is also sometime asked in question. How many percentage? Then population 17.5, livestock 15%, forest 1.5, water resource. This one also 4%. Then other revolution in agriculture. White revolution related to milk production, blue revolution fish, brown revolution food, grey revolution fertilizer, yellow revolution oil seed, red revolution tomato, pink revolution prawn or onion, golden revolution fruit, round revolution potato production, silver revolution egg or poultry production, black revolution biofuel, rainbow revolution all sector in agriculture, Parbhani revolution okra production. Parbhani one variety of okra. This is all important, very very important. You have to remember every time because it is asked in maximum exam. Importance. Then India position in world agriculture. First position in mango, banana, total irrigated area, milk production, jute and red fiber, cotton production, total pulses production, jute and red fiber, tea production, livestock production. Second position in wheat, oilseed, vegetable, rice, sugarcane, silk, cotton production. Third position in tobacco production. Fourth position in natural rubber. In coffee production, India 7th position. First Brazil. This one also question. Coffee in 7th and first Brazil. Position of agricultural trades in India. Agriculture export commodity, highest rice, then cashew, then wheat, then tea, then tobacco. This sequence also you have to remember because in some exams sequence also asked. Agricultural imports commodity, vegetable oil, cashew, pulses, fruits. Then important years related to agriculture: 2004 International Year of Rice, International Year of Physics 2005-2006, International Year of Desert and Desertification 2007, International Year of Water 2008, International Year of Potato 2009, International Year of Fiber 2010, International Year of Biodiversity 2011, International Year of Forest 2012, International Year of Cooperatives 2013, International Year of Water Cooperation 2014, International Year of Farming, Family Farming, then 2015 International Year of Soil, 2016 International Year of Pulses, 2017 International Year of Sustainable Tourism for Development, 19 International Year of Indigenous Languages, 2020 International Year of Plant Health, 21 International Year of Fruit and Vegetables, 22 International Year of Artisan Fishery and Agriculture, then 2023 International Year of Millets, 24 International Year of Camellids, 2025 International Year of Glacial Preservations, 2026 International Year of Rangeland and Pasture Credits, 2026 International Year of Volunteers for Sustainable Development. In this you have to memorize the recent year like 2024 millets and a previous year of some, that is International Year of Millets, and one to next year you have to remember. Then important dates related to agriculture: 24th of June Uttar Pradesh Day, 15 March World Consumer Day, 21st March World Forest Day, this you have to remember. Then 30 March Rajasthan Day, 5th June World Environment Day, 5th June, 11th June World Population Day, 16th June ICR, 16th July ICR Day, 16th September Ozone Day. This one also asked in every maximum exam question. 16 October World Food Day, 4th December Women in Agriculture Day, then 5th December World Soil Day, 23rd December Kisan Day, or birthday of Chaudhary Charan Singh. That's why birthday of Chaudhary Charan Singh observed as Kisan Day. Then these are some questions you have to practice and put comments and put comment section answer. The gene responsible for Bt cotton effect is CRY1 gene. Green revolution related to golden revolution related to food production. You have to answer this question and put in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. Thank you. Share with your friends. Thank you so much.